Video is everywhere on the internet. Video has evolved into a powerful medium for marketers to connect with people in a fun and engaging way, from YouTube to Facebook and Instagram. It's important to edit video clips that are of a good length for the viewer. Thanks to Windows 11's built-in Photos app, now you can trim your videos to keep the parts you want while removing the rest. Here's how it works. To begin, right-click on the video you want to trim, and then select the Open With option and choose Photos to open the video in the Windows Photos app. Here, click the Video Trim option at the top, or press Ctrl+E on your keyboard to open the Trim Video screen. Here you can specify the starting and ending points of your video here by dragging the sliders at the bottom of your screen to cover the part of your video you want to keep. Everything outside of the sliders will be removed. Once you've selected the video portion you want to keep, and then in the top right corner you will find Save as Copy option. I highly recommend you choose Save as Copy, which will allow you to save your trimmed video as a separate new video file. Now just enter the file name and then click Save to save your trimmed video. However, if you choose Save, it will replace your original video with the trimmed version. And that's how you can effortlessly trim your videos on Windows 11 without using third-party apps. We hope that you enjoyed this video and found it useful. We'll be back with more video just like this one in the future, so don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of our latest updates. Do let us know your thoughts on other topics you'd like to see covered in the future.